Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an examination question, right, from AI Professional College. Right, it says welcome again. Here are the instructions to follow the examination. Right, the network address is 192.168.0.0/27. Right, it has three variants. Right, variant 10, 20 and 30. Variant 10 color which is blue, which is the first network. Variant 20 color green, which is the second network. Variant 30 color red, which is the third network, right? And for each network, the first IP address is the default gateway for that network, right? Question 1 says configure each VLAN on the AI Professional College switch and deploy the VLANs over the two remaining switches using the VTP technology, right? The VLANs working protocol. Question 2 says assign each port to its respective VLAN using an interval of 5 ports per VLAN, right? Example, port 1 to port 5 belongs to VLAN 10. So this is configure outside the stick to make all the VLANs to communicate among themselves. Also configure the DHCP server on the outer to allow all the computers to receive the IP address respectively. So guys, let's go to topology and see. So you can see this is the topology we are going to use. So firstly, let's connect the switch and the outer, right, by using a state tool and a crossover, right. Blue, which is the first network. You know that the first network is from 1 to 5, right? The second network, which is going from 6 to 10. The third network, which is ready from 11 to 15, right? So guys, I'm going to fast forward this for better understanding. So let's start configuring the switch and the router, right? So firstly, let's set this switch, right, which is the AI Professional College switch, right? So let's dump this interface, right, which is the first internet 0/24 command line interface. Say enable, right, complete. Right, the interface, fast internet 0/24. Right, so your switch port, switch port mode. So let's do it again for this interface, right? The gigabit 0/1 and gigabit 0/2. Let's do it again. Let's exit this one. So the interface, right, let's change the gigabit 0/1 to 2. Finish switch port mode 1. So let's do it again for this switch, which is switch 1. Let's turn switch 1. So again enable, complete, again interface, right, interface range, right, gigabit 0/1, right? So let's see the interface again. It has gigabit 0/1 and gigabit 0/2, right? So switch ports mode 2. So let's begin for this switch, right? Let's turn these two interfaces. Interface range, right? last example 0, sorry, gigabits, right? Gigabits 0/1 to 2. So you can switch ports mode to on. Right, so let's configure this interface again. The router on the router. Here 11. VTP interface, right? Gigabit, right? 0/0. Setting no shutdown. Right? So let's do again for this interface, which is a serial connection. Let's set this one. Setting interface, serial 0/0. So you say no shutdown. So as you can see, it's on green, right? So let's create VLANs on AI professional switch and the VTP server on this switch, right? Let's exit this, right? So firstly, let's show VLANs, right? As you can see, there is no VLANs on this switch, so let's create VLANs, right? VLANs name which is blue, right? VLANs 20, VLANs 20, name which is green, right? VLANs 30, name which is here. So let's exit, right? So let's show VLANs again. So as you can see, we have created 3 VLANs, right? So let's assign this port on VLANs, right? So again, interface, right? Range, passing sign 0/1 to 5. You know that VLAN setting from 1 to 5, right? So you can switch port mode, access, right? So you can switch port access, VLAN, right? Let's enter this. So let's do again for VLAN setting, which range from 6 to 10. Switch port mode access. So you say again switch port access again, VLAN setting. Let's do again for VLAN 30, which range from 11 to 15. So you switch port mode access, again, VLAN 30. Let's exit. So let's create VTP, right? Server on this switch. So we say VTP, right? Mode server, right? So we say let's give a name to the server. Let's create a domain name. So again VTP domain. So the name will be Lamana, right? So let's create a VTP password, right? Let's say password from 1 to 5. So let's exit. So let's show the VLANs again. As you can see, we have assigned VLANs. So let's save. So let's do again. Let's assign this switch here as a client, right? So let's exit. So we say VTP, mode, right, class. Give the email VTP, domain, then we just have one out. So let's give the password. Right? So let's show the answer. So as you can see, we have three balance. So let's assign this port to balance, right? So the interface, name, first internet, 0/1, 5, right? So you can switch ports, mode access. So you can switch ports access. Sorry, switch ports. Mode access. So you can switch ports access. Right, let's exit. Let's do the program 20. Machine code 6. Okay. Let's do the program setting. Which is from 11, 15. Let's exit. So let's show the once again. So as you can see, I've assigned the ports to the LAN. So let's save this. Let's save. Right, let's do the same thing here. Switch to. So let's exit. Right, let's choose the LAN first. As you can see, there's no LAN on the switch. Right, so let's put a VTP client on the switch, right? So VTP, no client. Right? Let's do the name, VTP domain name. Domain is Vlan. Let's get the VTP password, right? VTP password from 1 to 5. Right, so let's exit. Let's do the last again. That's it. We have three balance, right? So let's assign this port on the balance. So we say again complete interface, range, passing time 0/1. So 5. Alright, so you can switch ports mode, access. So you can switch ports access, balance. Exits. Let's do again for the last answer. 2 for 6. 7. Access exits. Say again interface 10 from 11 to 15. Right. So let's switch off mode. Access. So you can switch ports. Access the LAN. Okay, sorry. Fast internet range, right? We don't assign the VLANs, right? On this, right? So let's say switch ports access with VLAN SAT, right? So let's do it again for VLAN 20, right? I don't assign the VLANs, right? I don't assign the VLANs, right? So let's see something. Let's say show VLANs. As you can see, VLAN 20 does not have any ports, right? So let's assign the ports. So the interface range passing internet 0/6 to 10, right? As you can see, we have assigned 1 to 5, 11 to 15. So we have to assign again 6 to 10. So the switch ports, no access, right? Switch ports again, access, right? VLAN 20. So let's exit. So let's open that again. Let's say do show VLANs. As you can see, we have assigned the ports, right, on the VLANs. So let's save. So let's go back to the question and see, right? So as you can see, we have solved for question 1 and question 2, right? So question 3 says configure router on the stick to make all the VLANs to communicate among themselves. 4 says configure DHCP server on the router to allow all the computers to receive the IP address, right? So let's come to the network address here, right? Which is the IP address for the network address, right? For the 3 network, right? So let's do the calculation for this network address, right? So as you can see, the network address is 192.168.0.0/27, right? Which is a class C. So as you can see, which is a class C network, right? Which range from 192 to 228. It's the default subnet, right? 192.255.255.0, which is /24, right? But we have 27 here, right? Which is the CIDR, right? The network address is 192.168.0.0. The binary for this, right, IP address, right? So let's see the binary, right? For 192, right? For 192, we have 2 ones here, right? Which is 128. So which is 192, which is 128, right? Plus 64, which will give us 192, right? 32 is 0, 16 is 0, 8 is 0, 4 is 0, 2 is 0, and 1 is 0, right? So let's do it again for 168. 168 is 128 1, which is 1, right? 64 is 0, 32 is 1, which will give us 160, 16 is 0, 8 is 1, which will give us 168, 4 is 0, 2 is 0, 1 is 0, right? Which will give us 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0, right? As you can see. So we have 0, they are all the offset is 0, and 0, they are all the offset is 0. The subnet map, which is 27, right? 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 8, which is 24, plus 3, right? Which is the goal, right? As you can see, this is the default, right? This is the default subnet, which is 24, right? This one here is the goal bit, right? This one here, this 3 here is the goal bit, and this one here is the host, right? So 24 plus 3, which will give us 27, right? The network address for the first network. This is the network address for the first network, right? So 192.168.0.0. For calculating the host image, right, is the network address, right, plus the host minus 2, right? So you say 192.168.0.0 plus 2 raised to the power 5, which is the host, right, minus 2, right, which will give us 30. So 192.168.0.0.0.30, right? The host number is 192.168.0.1, right? So 192.168.0.30, right? Which is the range from 1 to 30, right? So as you can see, it's an increment, right? You know that the network address end with 0 often, right? And the default router, which is the default gateway, increments of 1, right? So let's move into the broadcast areas. The broadcast areas for this network is 192.168.0.31, which is the increment of this of the range, right? So in the network 2, which is green, network areas is 192.168.0.32, increment of the broadcast areas, right? So calculating the host stage, right, is 192.168.0.32, right, which is the network areas, right, plus 2 is to the power 5. The 5 is the host, right, is the host, minus 2, which will give us 30, right? So 32 plus 30, which will give us what? 62. The host name now is 192.168.0.33, increments of 1, right, which will give us 33. So 192.168.0.62. So the broadcast areas is 192.168.0.63, which is an increment again of 1, right? So the third network now, which is here, the network address is 192.168.0.64, increments of 1, as you can see. For calculating the host stage is 192.168.0.64, right, plus 30, right? You know that we calculate the host 2 is to the power 5 minus 2, which will give us 30. So we add here 30 plus 64, which will give us 94, because 6 plus 3, which is 9, 4 plus 0, which is 4, right? So those things will be 192.168.0.65 to 192.168.0.94, right? Increments of 1 again, host, right? This network address, right, increments of 1 to the default subnet, right, which is the default router address. The broadcast address is 192.168.0.95, which is the broadcast address, right? So let's go to the topology. So as you can see, so let's configure router on the stick on this router, right? So let's say it is go. Right, complete interface, right? Interface. So let's see gigabit. Gigabit 0 slash, right, 0. So let's see the port again, right? It's a single port, gigabit 0 slash 0. So that's 10, right? You see how encapsulation does 1, 2, right? 10. So the IP address is 192 for the host network, 192.168.0.1, which is for the host network, right? So next one is 255.255.255.224. Right, which will be the subnet, right? So let's do it for VLAN 30, right? For VLAN 20, sorry, not 20. See again incap. Encapsulation of 1 to VLAN 20, right? The network address. So let's see the network address, right? The IP address for the last 20, which is the second network, right? So let's go back to calculation. So network address, this is network address, right? So this is the IP address, right, of the second network, which is 192.168.0.33, right? So 0.33. Okay. Bar mark for address 192.168.0.33. So let's do it again. So we say interface gigabit, right, 0/0, right, 20, right? That's 20. So you encap calculation dot 1 to 20. IP address is 192 plus 168 30, right? So that's like 255 plus 255 plus 255 plus 224. Right, so let's see again. Right, you see the broadcast address for the first network ended in 31. So the network address for this network is 32 increments of 1, which equals 33. Right, so the subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, and 224. So let's go back to the 224. So as you can see, it's correct. So let's do it again for VLAN 30, right? See again, encap calculation dot 1q, calculation dot 1q, right, which is starting. IP address is 192 dot 0 dot 0 dot, let's go back to the calculation and see. The address is 192 plus 0.5, right? Plus 65. So subnet is 255 plus 255 plus 255 plus 224. Right, let's see. So let's do again for the DHCP server, right? This will so say IP DHCP pool, right, for the last time. The network address is 192 for the first network, plus 168 plus 0.0. Right, subnet map is 255 plus 255 plus 255, right, plus 224. 255, 254, right? So it's an invalid network. Okay, sorry. That's 224. That's 224, right? So let's say default router. Default router will be 192 plus 168 plus 0.1, right? So let's set a DNS server. DNS server is, let's give DNS server 8 plus 8 plus 8, right? So let's do it for VLAN 20, right? This equals VLAN 20, right? So the network address is 192 plus 168 plus 0. Right? So let's see in the conclusion. So the second network address is 192.168.0.32, right? 0.32. So that was 255 plus 255 plus 255 plus 224, right? So the default router is 192 plus 168 plus 0.33, right? Plus 33. So the DNS server, right, is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So let's do again for VLAN 30. So let's say DHCP4 IP DHCP4 right? VLAN 30. VLAN 30, right? The network address is 192.168.0. So let's see the network address for the first network, for the third network, sorry. It's 192.168.0.64, right? 0.64, 0.64, right? So we have 255 plus 255 plus 255 plus 2, right? That's 4, right? So the network address is already default source now. So the default source will be 192 plus 168.0.65, right? The DNS server. So let's put the DNS server for this. So it will be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So let's exit. So let's exit again. So let's show one complete. So as you can see, the first network, right? The second network, and the third network, right? And the third network. So let's connect the PCs using a DHCP, right? So let's connect this first network, right? Which is the blue. So click stop, I click complete. Say DHCP. Okay, let's try again. Let's see. Okay, no gateway, no DNS server, which is a private network. So let's do again for this. Successfully. Let's do again for it, which is the third. Connect successfully, but this one is not connecting, right? So let's see the table. This one, which went from 1 to 5. Let's enable. Let's show 1, 2. So let's show the lines, right? Let's show the lines. Also 5, right? So let's put the lines and see our configuration. Interface gigabit 0/10, no IP address, right? So let's see. No IP address for interface gigabit 0/1, which is VLAN 10, there is no IP address, right? But I set IP address for this and this, so I've seen the error. So let's config C, so your interface, right? Gigabit, right? 0/0.10, right? So again interp calculation dot 1 right? 10. So the IP address, the IP address is 192 plus 168 plus 0.1. Subnet mask 255 plus 255 plus 255 plus 255, right? So let's exit again. Let's exit, right? Let's show one configuration. Okay, I see there's an IP address again, right? Okay, this is DHCP server, right? So as you can see, I've set IP address to this. So let's go back and see PC1. As you can see, connect successfully. So let's do it for this, the group. Connect successfully, right? So let's do it for red. Connect successfully. Successfully. So let's do again for blue. Successfully. Let's do again for red. Successfully. Let's do again for green. Successfully. Right? There is no IP address on this area, right? On this part of the interface, right? So let's click. So you see enable, right? Config in interface, CL, right? 0/0/0, right? IP address, right? Is 10 plus 0.0.2. Let's see the subnet now for this, right? For this one. Let's say enable. Let's roll one. So as you can see, the subnet mark for this 255.255.252, right? Two five five, that's 252, right? So let's end. Let's save. So as you can see, we are done. So as you can see, the IP address is 10.0.0.2/static, right? So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. That's it.